Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making beet and carrot salad. The first thing we're going to do is going to cut off the stems and the leaves of the beets, and we're going to reserve them because they are edible and they are delicious. Then we're going to wash them and we're going to put them in a pressure cooker with half a cup of water on high pressure for 10 minutes. Once the bell rings, you need to open the pressure cooker and let them cool off. Meanwhile, we're going to make the dressing. And I am using 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, but you can use balsamic or any other vinegar that you have at home. And a quarter teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, and you can use a fancy container like the one I have right there. Shake it a little bit, and there you have your dressing. So don't throw them away. Recycle them and reuse them. So once the beets and the carrots are done, we're going to wait for them to cool off, and we're going to cut them into cubes. I'm going to mix them together. See, the skin comes off really easy once the beets are done, and those are, we're gonna cut them into cubes as well. I was going to put some raw onion in the salad, but there are some people that don't eat raw onions in my house, so I decided to chop them into small pieces and put them on the side. So what I did instead was I steamed the 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 beet roots, and I decided to add that instead of the onions. And those beet leaves, I should say, the beet leaves are so delicious. Don't throw them away. I will put up or upload, I should say, a salad made out of beet leaves and the stems as well. The stems are edible too. So don't throw that away. If you wonder about that, when you go to the grocery store and you see them, the beets with the big stems and the leaves, it's because, they're charging you for it because they're edible. So we're almost ready to serve. We're just gonna mix a little bit, add the dressing, and serve. When I cut the beet leaves and the stems, I left 2 of them and washed them and dried them and put it at the bottom of the plate, the salad plate, and that's where I served the salad. That salad keeps really well in the fridge. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. That's all. See you next time.